Hello everyone, it's Julie from Camelia Crafts Designs. Welcome and welcome back. I've got something I'm really excited about here today. It is the Your Creative Studio box for September. It is the first one of these I've ever had, and as you can see, I haven't opened it. See, I can't do my H's. I'm that giddy I can't do my H's. Haven't opened it yet, so let's crack on. I'll put all details in my description below for these boxes. Ooh. Giddy giddy. Yeah, I'm using my do-all Tim scissors. I've not managed to kill them yet. But, we've got some on here to do. You don't need to see my address. Do you know, it's so thoughtful how they've even put the address on the bottom of the box. So I can do an unboxing without having to peel it all off. Just every tiny detail. Right, let's have a look-see. Oh, wow. I have seen people unbox these before, but I've zoomed in quite a lot. So it's Your Creative Studio. Yeah, you're not going to forget where it's from. We've got a sticker. So I'll just put the box back where you can see it. Yeah. Oh, thank you card. Brilliant. I've purposely not watched any September box openings so that I have not got a clue what's in this box. Oh, I don't even want to. I'm going to have to cut it, aren't I? Just we'll just snip it. Then we'll save the tissue. Oh, look at this. What have we got? I just absolutely love how they package the stuff. What's that? Oh, look at that. Tiny little... Yeah, it's a little... Yeah, a lamp. Oh, wow. If that's a clue as to what's going to be in this box, I'm a happy bunny. Put your scissors there, woman, then that won't come back on you. Washi tape. Let's have a look. I think I need to... See, I don't even know which side to unpeel it from. I'm tempted to go at this like a Christmas present. Ooh, look at that. Very vintage indeed. Where's the end? Let's have a look-see. Ooh, candles. So we've had a little lamp charm. We've now got candles. Ooh, could this possibly be Halloween? I've no idea. Wrap that back up. So we have washi tape. I'll leave everything I've unboxed there. What are these? Ooh. There's going to be a lot of oohs and ahs in this video. Can you tell? Oh, is this washi? Oh, it's just little vintage pieces of paper. How good are they? They'll be so perfect for doing some collage. So we have those. What does this say it is? Ooh, Clingstone Oil Lamp. Yeah, that's what I was trying to find the word for with that charm. It's an oil lamp. And it says so on these. We have got oil lamp stamps. And it rhymes. Ooh, look at that. Can you see that? Yeah, you can. That's candle. Ooh. I'm going to have fun with these. Oh, we've got some little envelopes. Little vintage airmail. I'm not going to open those. I will do another video making something with these. I can't think on my feet. Well, I can, but not that quickly. Like I said, I've purposely not looked at anyone else's unboxing. Washi faux stamp shaped vintage stickers. Oh, wow. And there's so many in there. How many do you get? I can't see where it tells you, but I'm guessing there's going to be about 50 in there. It feels like about 50. So we'll pop that one there. Not blinding you. Yeah, it's a very dull day today, so I've had to put some light on. Oh, what are these? Are these little cards? Oh, these look... Oh, it's a little booklet. Wow, that's amazing. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is fabulous. How good is that? Oh, I could make something like that with the things in this kit. We could recreate little booklets. So it's like, that's an idea, isn't it? Yeah, pop that there. I'm going to put its little, even that is going to be usable. It's a vellum band around the book. Pop you under there for now. And what's this? Ooh, this is another cling stamp. We're getting a little bit spoilt with stamps, it looks like. It's the oil lamp. I like that. I were brought up in a mining village, a pit village as we'd call it round here. So they're like the old-fashioned miner's lamps. What is this? Is that labels? It is like, wow, how many labels. I'm just tearing through this, aren't I now? Like Christmas morning. Oh, one of them got a little bit folded. I don't think we're going to miss one label amongst this lot, are we? Oh, they're amazing. So we've got green, blue and red. No need to flick through them all because they are all the same. Again, I don't know how many there are. I can say there's a fair few. A fair few. Now what's this? Natural collection. Ooh, this looks like a little ensemble of different things. And it's tied so pretty. It's tied like I do my Etsy orders. Oh, it's a lovely vellum envelope. It's coming. Oh, it's resealable. That's everything out. And what do we have? Oh, we've got some woodland. We've got mushrooms and butterflies. Oh, these are amazing. Oh, some ready-made little tags. How cute are they? Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Oh, that's a little envelope. You've got to put that together yourself. Love those. A messy little pile now. I'm going to have to tidy all that up, aren't I? To take a photograph for a thumbnail. Yeah. You know me. It doesn't take me long to get my desk messy. Even unboxing goodies like this. And I've got a messy desk. Move the scissors now. They're just tipping your box over, love. Oh, there's two of these. Oh, what are they? Oh, there's three. Oh, are these just going to keep multiplying? Like Minecraft sheep? No. Oh, vellum envelopes. I love how all the packaging is usable. There's nothing in here, apart from the odd one. Even the plastic bags, we can use those to make windows. Oh, it's a huge vellum sticker. Is it a sticker or is it just paper? I don't know. I will have to further investigate. But we get two of those. Love, love, love. There's a little leaf inside. I'm going to keep inside or I will lose it. So yeah, they're all the same, but we get three of them. Wow. Pop you there. Oh, we've got some more little oil lamps. I'm going to call them pit lamps. And what do we have here? These are papers. Absolutely gorgeous papers. I'm going to have so much fun with this kit. And look at this. Oh, hot air balloons. This is very steampunky, this paper. Balloons, gramophones, vintage telephones, typewriters. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed that little dig into that little box of goodies. And yeah, as I said, it's the first time I've ever had one of these. I'm not sure offhand what the subscription price is. Again, I will put it in the link below. And yeah, but I'm quite excited. I'm quite excited to see what I can make with this little lot. Yeah, this will keep me going for quite a while, won't it? So we'll pop it all back in the box so that we don't lose it, because you know what I'm like. I can be a little bit untidy, can't I? Yeah, if you've watched me for a while, you know that. So there it all is. That is a very, very good little box of goodies. And I can't wait to get stuck into that this weekend. So you can expect some videos coming up at the weekend with goodies that I've made from my little box. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.